Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about a very serious situation. In Iowa, a 66-year-old woman was incorrectly declared dead and taken to a funeral home. Fortunately, one of the workers at the home noticed the woman's chest moving. This is a great reminder of the importance of double-checking and being thorough in medical situations. This could have been prevented if the care center had taken the extra steps to ensure that the woman was truly dead. As a result, they were fined $10,000. It's important to stay alert and be proactive when it comes to medical care. Make sure you are getting the best care possible for yourself and for your loved ones. Thank you for listening.